The 2015 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.